Blush and Bling. This is me, Nayan. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please do it right away and click that notification bell for more updates. Already guessed from the title, I am doing a Thailand vlog. So do you think this is Bangalore or Thailand? Yes, I am in Thailand and this is Pattaya. Hi guys, welcome back to Blush and Bling. This is me, Nayan, and as you can see, I'm super duper excited, and because as suggested in the title of the video, I'm going to Thailand and it's a Thailand vlog, so keep following me. Before moving on to the vlog, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to it and hit that notification bell for more updates. So guys, I'm at Bangalore airport and the boarding will start in a few minutes, and I'm waiting for my food and Swati is busy. Guys, so we are about to take off now and I can't believe that I'm actually going. What about you, Swati?
I'm also really shocked, and the camera is hardly focusing on me, so I think I should
see you. So guys, this is the room. Hey, Swati, Pooja. क्या करे दोनों फोन में busy हो. This is one view from our balcony. Sorry, my phone is shaking. And this is the kitchen. The refrigerator will go back there later. And this is a room. It's a little messy. There's Kanchan. Kanchan, say hi. This is an awesome view from our bedroom. You can see the whole Pattaya, even the sea. It's so amazing. And yeah, that's the cupboard. And that's the washroom and that's me. वीडियो है गाइस. Say hi. Hello. पूजा नहीं दिख रहा है. वीडियो है, don't pose. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this is the Pattaya street market and we have come too far and my friends are hungry. They are inside Subway. Except Swati, she's roaming for shopping again. So yeah, we bought so many things from here, like small souvenirs and gifts to friends and family. Now I'm also a little bit hungry, so I'll go inside, join my friends. We found one Indian restaurant. Actually, so many Indian restaurants. So colorful and so bright. are roaming near Pattaya beach and done some shopping as usual. And now we are heading back to our hotel because we are so tired. We didn't get proper sleep, as you can see my eyes. Now we are going back to our hotel then. See you tomorrow.